Hey guys, what's going on? Opening up a mystery box. Pro Wrestling Crate. Has different items in there every month. Well worth the money. Really good value. That's what we got this month. Alright, I'm not even going to look. Alright, here's a cheat card here. Alright. Alright, first thing we got is a shirt. Hopefully it's decent. Oh, the Ultimate Warrior. What does it say? Always believe. Pretty decent. A lot of charisma. But he's kind of stunk as a wrestler. Size extra large too. Nice. It's gonna be on my eBay store more than likely though. Tatanka Microsoft Brawler. They tried to make him into a Chief J Strongbow, but he never made it big. Well, it's a micro brawler. Tatanka. I think this is a pin. I have no idea where he wrestles. I have no idea. Let's see what else we got. Oh, we got a DVD. Pro Wrestling Tees Behind the Merch. And it's signed by Ryan Bakken. Also, Colt Cabana, Mike Jackson, Nick Jackson, Cody, Kenny Omega, Jim Ross, Social Uncensored. Pretty decent, I guess. Oh. Magnet. It says Pro Wrestling Tees. Let's see what else we got in here. All right, let's get the other shirt. Is it decent? Oh, I like this one. Bully Ray, Hardcore, 5150. That is a good looking shirt. I might keep this one for myself. I don't know yet. Extra large though, the size. Nice looking shirt. Let's see what else. Oh, we got something else. Wow. Got a lot of stuff this time in this crate. We have signed autograph by Lex Luger. And it's authentic. Right there. So signed autograph by Lex Luger. Another one they want to make into a Hulk Hogan, but he never made it. He had no charisma at all. That's not bad. Nice signed autograph. I think that's it. Yep, that's all. All right, let's look at the cheap cardboard here. All right. Also, the first one was Always Believe, the Ultimate Warrior t-shirt. Hardcore 5150 Bully Ray t-shirt, which is excellent. Tatanka, the Micro Brawler figure. Behind the Merch, Pro Wrestling Tees DVD, 500 random DVD signed by Ryan. Don't know. Lex Luger autographed 8x10. Dan Husson, lapel pin. That's the pin. I didn't know who that was. I still don't. A bonus top autograph and a Pro Wrestling Tee exclusive magnet. So there's another autograph? Maybe it's in here. Oh, there is. Another autograph picture. Wow. But once again, I have no idea who this is. And I really can't read his name on here. It doesn't tell me who it is.